Hello, Pretty. Anyway, hi guys, another few more jokes. A blonde walks into the library. She walks up to the counter, slams a book down and screams at the librarian, "This is the worst mother-fudging book I've ever read. It has no plot and far too many characters." The librarian looks up and calmly remarks, "So you're the one who took our phone book?" She is so stupid. I'm glad I'm not blonde. Okay, Oscar drove his brand new Mercedes to his favourite sporting goods store. He parked it outside and went in to do a little pursuing with Jan, if you know what I mean, his regular saleswoman. Jan was a pretty blonde, and as Oscar walked into the store, she happily greeted him. But he requested to look around alone today before he needed her help. She obliged him and let him do his thing. 5 minutes later, Jan came running up to him yelling, "Oscar, Oscar, baby! I just saw someone driving off with your new Mercedes." "Dear God! Did you try to stop him?" "No," she said. "I did better than that. I got the license plate number." Seriously, women. Oh, but I'm a woman, of course. See these. I'm a woman, okay? After Quasimodo's death, the bishop of the Cathedral of Notre Dame sent word through the streets of Paris that a new bell ringer was needed. The bishop decided that he would conduct the interviews personally and went up into the belfry to begin the screening process. After observing while several applicants demonstrated their skills, he decided to call it a day. Just then, a lone, armless man approached him and announced that he was there to apply for the bell ringer's job. The bishop was incredulous. "You have no arms?" "No matter," said the man. "Observe!" He then began striking the bell with his face, producing a beautiful melody of the carillon. The bishop listened in astonishment, convinced that he had finally found the suitable replacement for Quasimodo. Suddenly, while rushing forward to strike a bell, the armless man tripped and plunged headlong out of the belfry window to his pitiful, pitiful death in the street below. The stunned bishop immediately rushed down the stairways. When he reached the street, a crowd had gathered around the fallen figure, drawn by the beautiful music they had heard only moments before. As they silently parted to let the bishop through, one of them asked, "Bishop, who was this man?" "I don't know his name," the bishop sadly replied, "but his face rings a bell. Ha ha, boom boom." Here's a pretty lame one. What kind of work does a weak cat do? "Light mouse work." Ha 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 ha. No. A young businessman had just started his own firm. He rented a beautiful office and had it furnished with antiques. Sitting there, he saw a man come into his outer office wishing to appear the hot shot. The businessman picked up the phone and started to pretend he had a big deal working. He threw huge figures around and made giant commitments. Finally, he hung up and asked the visitor, "Can I help you?" The man said, "Yeah, I've come to activate your phone lines." Ha ha, boom boom. A doctor vacationing in Panama met an old lawyer friend and asked him what he was doing there. The lawyer replied, "Remember that lousy real estate I bought? Well, it caught fire, so here I am with the fire insurance proceeds. What are you doing here in Panama?" The doctor replied, "I'm looking for Panama real estate. You have the money?" Asked the lawyer. "Well, remember that lousy real estate I had in Mississippi? Well, the river overflowed and here I am with the flood insurance proceeds." The lawyer looked puzzled. "Gee," he asked, "how did you stop the flood?" I don't get it. But anyway, a blind guy on a bar stool shouts to the bartender, "Wanna hear a blind joke?" In a hushed voice, the guy next to him says, "Before you tell that joke, you should know something. Our bartender is blonde. The bouncer is blonde. I'm a 6', 200 lb black belt. The guy sitting next to me is a 6'2", weighs 225, and he's a rugby player. The fella to your right is 6'5", pushing 300, and he's a wrestler. Each one of us is blonde. Think about it, mister. Do you still want to tell that joke? The blind guy says. Nah, not if I'm gonna have to explain it 5 times. Ha 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 ha, that is seriously so not funny. And I think I just spat on my computer